Hey, what's up? It's always me, Johnny, and today we are gonna see another unboxing. And this unboxing, it was not planned, so let's see what's inside the box, and then we are gonna talk about the inside of this box. So let's open it. This is the inside of the box. So as you probably guessed right now, this is an iPhone 12 mini. So, and as you can see, it is the blue one, as we can call it blue. I mean, it is a little bit particular, but it is actually blue. As you can see right here, there is the Amazon warehouse stickers, because this one is actually used. I've decided to take this 12 mini because I was always curious about the size of this phone, because actually now the smartphones are just too big in my opinion, and so this 12 mini is going like in the opposite way. So I've decided finally to try it right now. I know this is not anymore in trend, we can say, but I've decided to give it a shot. So let's open it and let's see how it is, because as I said, it is used and I don't know the condition. I think Amazon says like it was in the best condition possible, but the box is a little bit used, we can say. I don't know if you can see it from the camera, but I think the inside should be good. So let's open it. So there it is. We have also the stickers from Apple. So it is pretty much new, and I don't know if you can see it very well from the camera, but it doesn't seem too used, just a little bit dusty, but we can clean it a bit. And it is very, very small, because you can see it is much smaller than my hand. We can see the comparison between my Mi 11 and this 12 mini. You can see actually right here the size. It is really, really mini. So it is just a little bit dirty, but nothing too much used. I mean, no scratches seems like, and yeah, pretty good. As I said before, I've decided to take this used iPhone 12 mini just to test it and to test some iPhone, because the last one that I've used, and it was not mine, but I've used the iPhone 5S. Yeah, that was the last one. So now we have the 12 here, and I've decided to give it a shot to this. And so of course we're gonna test this phone against other phones, like you already see the Mi 11 and also the new Mi 11 Ultra that it is coming in the next videos. So stay tuned about that and subscribe right now to don't miss that video. So I'm just gonna set it up right now and we are gonna test it in the next videos. And I saw that there is some scratches and some bumps right here. I don't know if you can see it very well from the camera, but it is nothing too much of a damage, but we're gonna test it in the next days. Also, I want to talk about just a little bit of the color, because I took the blue one, as I said, and I was expecting just a little bit more greenish tint on it, but it is actually very blue. I just found this one that was used because I was just undecided about this one, the red one, and also the new purple one. And in the end, I've decided to take this because I found it, use it, and it was a good occasion. So I decided to take this one. So let's set this up, and I think we will see some tests in the next videos. So thank you for watching. If you liked this video, just hit a like right now and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.